Hello.
All right, ready?
Oh, it's been recording. Yeah.
Hey everyone, good morning. I'm Joe.
I don't like that. Do it again.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joe.
And I'm Liz. And we are coming to you live from sort of live. It'll be edited. It's
Coming
never
to you
live.
live recording. It's a live recording.
Do it again.
Start over?
Yeah.
All right, damn it. Good morning, everyone.
Nope. You lost me. Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joe.
And I'm Liz. And we're coming to you from TSA, Texas Sign Association, if you don't know, not the airport one. And this is the trade show for the year. This is exciting. And as you know, at Behind the Signs, we're really big on joining your local
Sign Association for
Why
sure.
Why is that?
Well, membership matters, right? That's our big push. Where we have been involved, Liz and I personally, with International Sign Association and Texas Sign Association and others over the years. And I'll tell you one thing, Liz, most importantly, is that you get to build relationships when you're here.
Absolutely.
You get to meet your fellow comrades from the Sign Association, which is great. And you don't often get to do that when the sign shop down the street is competing with you. But you come to a show like this and you get to meet other sign shop owners or people that are designers or whatever in the industry and get to talk about the things that are exciting to you or things that are challenging you. So it's a great place to make connections, not to mention all the vendors that are here, all the new technology. So
what it comes down to is membership matters.
Membership does
matter.
matter.
Join your association,
yes.
Join International Sign Association, and use these resources that are available to you.
Yes. So we're looking forward to the show today. We're going to pull a lot of people into the booth to say hello and introduce themselves. So we will see you in just a little bit.
See you soon.
Bye.